Too Crazy AI brings you today's curated AI industry news. XAI's Grok 4.1 sweeps the top 2 spots on LMArena leaderboard with a 65% drop in hallucination rate. Alibaba unveils $53 billion AI strategy and launches Qwen app beta. Jeff Bezos joins a $6.2 billion AI startup. Let's dive into today's developments. XAI officially releases Grok 4.1 with groundbreaking performance. On the authoritative LMArena Text Arena leaderboard, Grok 4.1 Thinking achieves first place with an ELO score of 1483, while the standard Grok 4.1 follows closely at 1465, both significantly leading third-place Gemini 2.5 Pro by 31 points. Even more impressive is the hallucination rate plummeting from 12.09% to 4.22%, a 65% reduction, representing major progress in factual accuracy. The model also scores 1586 on EQ tests, ranking first, and 1721.9 in creative writing benchmarks, second only to GPT-5.1's Polaris Alpha. Grok 4.1 is now live across all platforms. Alibaba launches the Qwen app beta, an intelligent personal assistant powered by the advanced Qwen 3 model. The app is currently free and open across all platforms. Qwen's killer feature lies in its powerful task execution capabilities. Users can generate complete research reports with a single command and automatically create beautiful multi-page PowerPoint presentations in seconds. The bigger news is Alibaba's announcement of at least 380 billion RMB, $53 billion, investment in AI strategy over the next 3 years, with plans to deeply integrate Qwen into all ecosystem services, including maps, food delivery, travel, e-commerce, education, and health. Breaking news. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos announces his return to daily business operations as co-CEO of AI startup Project Prometheus. This marks Bezos' first comeback since leaving Amazon in 2021. The company has raised $6.2 billion, with Bezos himself as an investor. Project Prometheus focuses on AI for the physical economy, developing AI products for engineering, aerospace, and automotive manufacturing, training models through physical world simulations to accelerate scientific research. The company has assembled nearly 100 top AI talents from Meta, OpenAI, and DeepMind. Artificial analysis launches the new AI benchmark, AA-Omniscience, focusing on evaluating language models' knowledge capabilities and hallucination rate control. On the core metric Omniscience Index, Anthropic's Claude 4.1 Opus ranks first, followed by OpenAI's GPT 5.1 and XAI's Grok 4. In pure accuracy, Grok 4 performs best. Notably, Claude series models demonstrate clear advantages in hallucination control. Artificial analysis has also open-sourced 600 test questions, with the dataset now available on Hugging Face. Google is gradually releasing the next-generation Gemini 3 Pro model to users. According to community feedback, this rollout has quite broad coverage, with many users able to test their access through the 2.5 Pro version. Google AI Studio platform now shows Gemini 3 configuration prompts, specifically noting that the temperature parameter achieves best performance at the default value of 1.0, while lower values may impact the model's reasoning capabilities. Today's 5 stories paint a clear picture of the AI industry landscape. On the technical front, Grok 4.1's plunging hallucination rate and Gemini 3's rapid iteration show the model performance race entering white-hot competition. On the business front, Alibaba's $53 billion strategic investment and Bezos joining a $6.2 billion AI startup signal AI's transition from laboratory to large-scale industrial applications. The evaluation system is also evolving, with AA-Omniscience benchmark focusing on hallucination control, reflecting the industry's high emphasis on model reliability. The AI ecosystem is undergoing a critical transformation from usable to useful to trustworthy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.